as Medsafety. Why Medsafety? Why am I working on this? The reason I am working on this is because I've read it somewhere that uh, drug interaction actually kills a lot of people in US and the rest of the part of the world. It actually has killed around 125,000 people last year, and that's a huge number if you consider uh, that the that a that there a lot of the deaths could have been prevented if the healthcare professionals would have checked for more references. The issue is it's actually really difficult, right? What this MCP actually does is it uses 8 tools. All of these 8 tools checks all the parameters which a doctor or a healthcare professional would be checking in a normal situation. And here's the demo. Yeah, all of these tools are tools we have in the MCP. Yeah. So if you see right now, we might have gotten a response of this medication, and our tool actually normalizes it. It tells us all the necessary details for normalization. For example, where it actually got it from, what's the score, what's the term type, and whatever it's needed. So here you can see the patient records. The patient records, it's Martha. She's currently managed under all of the situation. I'll write my next thing. Thinking about starting clarithromycin 500 mg BID for 7 days for a sinus infection. I accidentally, yeah, yeah. So you saw how fast it was, right? So what it did was it uses this medication, it normalized it with the correct value. It uses all of our tools, and it said it's risky, don't use it. This simple thing, the simple MCP can be integrated into any agent which anyone has developed, and this could actually be really helpful for healthcare professionals. It also gives you alternatives. Alternatives to this. The best part about alternatives is any agent would give an alternative, but that is a problem. The agent could hallucinate. What our MCP does is it uses that medication that the agent gives. It checks if there is any interaction with anything else, and then it gives an output, which actually reduces hallucinations by tons. It's almost impossible that this would hallucinate in a scenario uh, where it's prescribing something very absurd, which actually AI agents can sometimes do. So yeah, it says no interaction, and it gave a lot of this. So all of this MCP server MCP is actually hosted on the marketplace. All of the 8 tools are hosted, and they're working fine. I've added test